Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to delete Bluetooth junk files on Android phone in Phoenix. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to come up my phone setting. Then from your phone setting right here, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Bluetooth. So it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to received files. Click on that. So it's going to take you right here where you see all the junk files that are attached with your Bluetooth receive file. So what you need to do to delete any one of them, simply click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear from list, just like so. So you can clear as many as possible, just like so. Click and hold down, clear, just like so. So you can clear as many as possible from your phone. This allows you to have more free space on your phone and more operational effective. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to free Bluetooth chunks file on Android phone in Phoenix phone. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.